So papapatatak kami ngayon. At sana ay makaalis na kaagad. So ito ang pila, haba-haba ng pila. Papatatak tayo ngayon ng departure dahil nag-arrive tayo kahapon. Departure naman tayo ngayon. So ride safe to everyone. Medyo maganda na rin yung ko, pakiramdam ko. Hindi na katulad kahapon na wala tayong tulog. Ngayon all goods in the hood na. All goods in the hood. Real Motors. Ang layo pala lalakaran. Walang iya. Tara, abante tayo. Dito lang tayo. Dikit-dikit. Mata-mata pa. Sa gilid tayo, sa gilid. Ganito yung pwesto natin. So dito tayo. Kahit sobrang aga. Ay, alis na pala. Hindi, sila muna, ayaw mo sila. Isa-isa yan. Parang by team yan, by team. Wala nang tingin-tingin sa likod, si tropa. Ay, isa-isa. Kung sino mauna sa atin, sumunod, pangatlo, pangapat, ako'y last. Oh, kumbaga, ayun na. Ito tayo. Ikaw una, ano? Oh, magpasabayan na yan. Welcome to Oroqueta City. So, nandito na kami sa Cagayan de Oro. Second segment. mga ibang kasama ko?
Ano po bang ano?
Team Shintaro.
So far, ikaw pa lang po yung nare-recall ko na nakarating. Baka sa iba po. Shintaro. 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 Nagpatuloy ako.
So, dito namin sa stage time. At kukunin namin ang aming finishing kit.
Finishing kit, ma'am.
So, thank you Lord. First of all, safe kami. Tapos,
Choosing to stop and prioritize safety is not a victory. It is wisdom. In Boss Ivan, coming home safe is always a victory. This ride was again shown the strength of our community and the beauty of Mindanao. What a man, it showed that the country was responsible riders. What responsible riders don't like, that is you. Pwede ba natin malapakan ang po natin? You are a responsible rider. And you don't do the cities and municipalities, then you become ambassadors of road safety, discipline, and respect. And ambassador of Mindanao tourism. You carry the message of Boss Ivan with you every kilometers of the road. So one last time, Boss family, who rides smart? Pwede ba natin sabihin? We do. Riders, who rides smart? Manila, who rides smart? Who rides safe? And who rides as one? Okay, to everyone who rides as possible, thank you very much. And to all our riders, finisher or not, we are proud of you. Congratulations and mabuhay, Boss Ivan.
Thank you so much, Boss Jody. Boss Jody, please should be here on stage. I'd like to call back ang ating President Res Henry to please come up here as we will be awarding our special citations. No? Alright, so here to present this certificate of appreciation in our special awards, we got President Tolentino to be joined by VP and the Chairman Jody Dalihe. Take it away, President.
Okay, we would like to give this certificate to a group. Yes, in recognition of being the club with the most participants registered of the Boss Ironman Mindanao Cup 2026. Successfully held on January 31 to February 1, 2026, demonstrating outstanding unity, commitment, organization strength, and unwavering support for the spirit, tradition, and values of long-distance motorcycle riding, serving as a strong example of camaraderie and dedication in the riding community. Even this first day of February 2026, this certificate is given to
Black Hawk Riders Club. Please come out here.
Please come here, Black Hawk team. Team Black Hawk. Please come up.